Unveiling the secrets of benchmarking surveys. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into the nuances of the English language and make learning fun and accessible for all. Today, we're exploring a fascinating topic that's vital in the world of business and research: benchmarking surveys. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just curious, understanding this concept can open up new insights into how organizations evaluate their performance and strive for excellence. So, let's get started and uncover the layers behind benchmarking surveys. First things first, let's break down the term benchmarking. Imagine you're running a race and you want to know how fast you are, not just in isolation, but in comparison to others. Benchmarking in the business world is somewhat similar. It is a process where a company measures its performance, products, services, processes, and practices against those of other companies, especially the best in the industry. This comparison helps the company understand where it stands in the competitive landscape and identifies areas for improvement and innovation. Now, let's talk about the survey part of benchmarking surveys. A survey, in this context, is a tool used to collect data and insights. It involves asking a series of questions from a specific group of people or organizations. When we combine this with benchmarking, a benchmarking survey involves gathering and analyzing data about various aspects of other businesses to compare with your own. This can include customer satisfaction, product quality, operational efficiency, and much more. You might wonder, why go through all this effort? Benchmarking surveys are crucial for several reasons. They help businesses to identify best practices in the industry and adopt them to improve their own operations, set meaningful goals by understanding what top performers achieve, spot areas of improvement by highlighting gaps in performance, drive innovation by learning from the successes and failures of others, enhance customer satisfaction by continuously improving products and services based on market standards. Conducting a benchmarking survey involves several steps. 1. Defining the scope. Clearly determine what aspects of the business you want to benchmark. 2. Identifying comparison partners. Choose which organizations or data sets you will compare your results against. 3. Collecting data. Use surveys, interviews, and other methods to gather information from chosen benchmarks. 4. Analyzing the results. Look for patterns, strengths, weaknesses, and opportunities in the data. 5. Implementing changes. Based on insights gained, plan and execute strategies to improve your business. And there you have it, a closer look at benchmarking surveys and why they're a game changer in the business world. We hope this video has shed light on the importance and process of benchmarking surveys, helping you understand how they can be a powerful tool for growth and improvement. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content. Until next time, keep learning and exploring.